You ready to do some kayak fishing? Well, you better be, because we're going. It's 82 degrees already at 4:57 in the morning, but we're going fishing. Let's do it. Guys, we're down here in West Cove. Probably water on my lens. I apologize for that. And the wind noise. It's picking up pretty good, but it's a little too wet out here to have a mic. But fishing with the Lake Charles Kayak Fishing Club. And we got a special guest with us today. He doesn't need an introduction in the kayak fishing world.
All right.
It's Ty Southerland for 30 miles out.
That's okay.
What's everybody say? What? At the boat. Oh, I'm running right in the fish again. I'm sorry. I'm sitting here trying to film. Yeah, they're spanking it, man. So I didn't do too much filming today because I wanted to see how Ty goes about filming and putting together a story, because he and Teresa do such a great job with 30 Miles Out. But I will leave a link in the description below to his video so you can check out the full trip. Hey, there he is.
There you go. Got him.
Yeah. It's a good little trout.
Yeah, pick up a trout like in the morning.
Oh, he's probably 13 inches or so. Oh, hey, he's a little better, I think. Oh, got some shoulders. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, no, he's a rip. Oh, good trout. Oh, okay. Hey, come on back, buddy.
Let's got him on.
Oh, this is a vortex shad. Oh, come on, buddy. She's not ready. Come on. There we go.
Yeah, like you expect.
All right. So we're out here in West Cove. It's a nice trout, probably 20, 21 inches. My hands are slippery, I can't grab my camera. There you go.
Yeah, that's a fat dude.
Yeah, man.
Get him on.
It's an egret. I didn't even realize I had on. Yeah.
There you go.
What color is that? Opening night, I think?
Fishing right the mouth of it. Right the mouth of the lake.
That's a pretty fish. Yeah, they're just pecking at the top of her, so I figured I just... Since you got that one on the rattle trap. Oop. Sorry about that. You got it. Oh, man, I got stuck in that eddy, pulling me back. Oh, and I got a fish. That's hilarious. That's a good fish, too. There you go. Oh, I didn't get a good hook set, but it's another good trout.
Come on, man. How about that?
You want some of these?
What color is it?
I think it's opening night. Oh, yeah, that's a better trout. Man. Come on, baby. I didn't have a chance to...
Opening night. The wedge tail?
Yeah. Sure is. Oh, that's a good one, too.
You pecking the bottom?
Yeah, that one was just out there. I gotta get... Oh, man. That reverse barrage drive would be nice right about now. Here, I got a couple more of these, too. They're probably gonna tear them up.
Kris is catching them on this egret bait, wedge tail. What size is it?
1/8 ounce.
Let me see that dude.
This is actually a dockside jig head, golden eye jig heads.
Nice.
Yeah. I try to throw as light as I can get away with. It's my confidence with bait.
How's that rattle?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh! Pretty good early morning bite right here at the mouth of the canal. Going into West Cove. He's jumping out of the water. Trout right here chasing bait. Literally jumping out of the water. Like 9 feet from him. Oh! Hanging out the buffet. Like we did last night. It's a little better than I thought it was. Oh, that was a flounder. Yeah. That come by the way was pulling. Oh, that's a big flounder. You want this net? There you go. Hey. It's a fatty, man. Ah, this one's on a Vortex shad. Louisiana companies today, I guess. Look, it fell out of it. Yeah. So here Ty had hooked into a pretty good trout, so I brought over my net so we wouldn't lose it. I did not have my fish grip with me, so he throws his over to me, and I have to say I'm probably going to pick up one of these. I was pretty impressed by it. All of my Boga style grips end up corroding, and this one seems like it stands up better to saltwater use, so definitely going to be picking one of those up. Alright, so this is pretty cool. We're shooting the after the episode video for 30 Miles Out. They release these on Fridays. Their regular videos are Thursdays. And we just go through and talk about all the different tackle that we use to catch all the fish, what sort of kayaks we're in, stuff like that. Really useful information, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you check out Ty's channel, 30 Miles Out. And as always, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing some pretty cool stuff in the future, and I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good day.
Well, if you're feeling way down low, tune into the Kris Harper Show. Everything's gonna fall right into place.